Good afternoon, Mike Ehrlich in beautiful Boca Raton, Florida. Going to give you a walk around on this new listing. This is a Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. Nice color to the hull. Dive ladder in back. Powered by a pair of 225 Verado stainless props. 173 hours on these engines. You'll see a couple underwater lights there, as well as your deucer for your Raymarine. Lenco tabs retract automatically when you pull it up. This boat has the swim door on the side, a really nice feature that you won't find on any earlier years of Dauntless, and an expensive option. Let's go up and take a peek at her. First thing you notice is that big back seat. If you are going fishing, or you just want deck space for a dance party, go ahead and close the seat. It latches down. You now have a stern casting platform, multiple rod holders and drink holders there. If you come up the dive ladder, instead of using the big one that attaches to the door over there, you do have a freshwater shower right there. Big deck scuppers to clear any water you might take. The leaning post features a live well, drink holders, and some rocket launchers. Above, you do have a four-place rocket launcher. The boat will include the telescoping outriggers, which can be deployed from down below with the handle. Helms is loaded up as you can get it. Twin Raymarine hybrid touches. Raymarine VHF fusion stereo that kicks ass on this boat. Your digital throttle and shift controls, and your Lenco tabs with the indicators. Tilt helm. Flip down thigh rise bolsters. Big old subwoofer right there. The stereo sounds real nice. Looking into the console, you do have a Dometic porta potty style head that is plumbed, so you don't have to dump it. It does have a deck pump out. There's your battery switch and some breakers. Up front, I've got all the cushions deployed right now. If you're doing more fishing, you could leave them off. Make that a bow casting platform. The unique feature, the pop-up seats on each side, and there's storage underneath those seats. You can see in the still pictures. At the bow, you have a nice big fully enclosed windlass with a remote control here, or you can do it from the helm. Notice more drink holders, the big walk around sides, fiberglass T-top hardtop. And then this really awesome lounger. I have the armrest folded up now, but let's pop the latch on this. And just a ton of storage. A couple 5-gallon buckets in there to give you an idea of the depth and space in there, as well as rod holders. Call Mike Ehrlich at MarineMax to get aboard this awesome 270 Boston Whaler Dauntless.